Hello guys, right, my channel is very new at the moment. I would really appreciate it if you would support my channel, drop us a like, a comment, and please do remember to subscribe if you find my content beneficial in any way. Today, we are going to be going over this move here. Now, for the breakdown of this move, what we are going to do, we are going to bring this chuck up to our shoulder here. From there, what we are going to do, we are going to bring it horizontally over to this shoulder here, and we're going to put our hand up in the air like this. This, when we move our hips to the left and then we shoot our hips back over to the right, will allow us to catch the stick like this. So once more, so we go here, here, here. From here now, what we're going to do, our palm is facing our face, and we're going to throw this stick around this hand. This is a rip roll, okay? This here is a rip roll also. So what you need to do, you need to get in the hang of doing this rip roll horizontally. So we're going to throw this and we're going to end it with our palm facing forward, like so. Then we're going to catch the other stick. From here, if you notice how our left hand is facing up, we're going to shoot this up and clutch it here. And that is the basics of this move. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel if you find this beneficial in any way, and I'll see you next week, guys.